name is Gabriela Serrano. I'm the writer-director of Elenita Elena Elaine, making our homecoming premiere here at Cinemalaya. It's also my return to Cinemalaya after premiering my first short, Dikit, in 2021. So thank you, Cinemalaya, for having me back. This is my second time, like I said, presenting a film here, and I'm so honored to be part of the festival this year. Set in a near future Philippines where people are no longer able to dream, Elenita Elena Elaine is a dystopian tropical sci-fi about pop stars, call centers, and the bond between a mother and daughter. A bond that transcends language, technology, and even consciousness. I'm happy to be representing science fiction as a genre, my favorite genre in this competition, with this new work. I'd also like to take this moment to acknowledge our amazing cast, the stunning Miss Agot Isidro. We also have Gabby Padilla and my sister Mariana Serrano in the cast. Shout out also to my producers, Gail Osorio and Keith De Lejero, and our entire cast and crew, a small but mighty female-led cast and crew. I'm so excited to finally share our film that we made together here on the biggest stage. So thank you again to the Cinemalaya, CCP, FDCP, and everyone who made this festival possible this year. Congrats to all our fellow filmmakers in selection. I feel so lucky to be alongside you in the festival this year, and I can't wait to celebrate cinema with you all. Thank you so much.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si JT Trinidad, writer-director ng Honey My Love So Sweet. Dati nagka-cutting class lang po ako para manood ng Cinemalaya nung high school at tumatakas sa Calao para manood sa FDCP. 10 years later, I am proud to present my undergraduate thesis film, Honey My Love So Sweet. And it follows life, a genderqueer child who comes of age in the heart of Manila in a decaying cinema. And pinagbibidahan po ito ng aming mga kaibigan, sina Manuel Tino, Mina Cruz, Kian Ko, and Marcus Timbas. Kasama ko po ngayon ang presence ng aking producer na si Vic Noy. At gusto ko rin po i-acknowledge ang presence ng mga iba ko pong producers, sina Sir Alenberg Ang, Jelcy Arcales, Jacob Alcala, EJ Gagi, Thom Season, and Vian Jeslan. Ito po ay parang belated Pride Month bilang kakatapos lang ng Pride Month. Pero I think araw-araw naman pong Happy Pride at kita-kits po sa Cinemalaya. Maraming salamat po.
Magandang umaga po. Ako po, Ulysses Norvin de los Santos. Kagaya po ni Gabi, second time ko na din sa Cinemalaya. Yung first is yung short film ng Helen ng Maharlika noong 2019. Ang Hoy Hoy Ingat ay kwento ng magkapatid na maralit ang lungsod. Tungkol to kay baby na gusto mag-viral habang ang pogi niyang kuya na si Bing ay nagbabatak ng buto. Nagkukumpuni ng jeep ng ibang tao at sumasideline sa pelikula para mairaos ang isang araw. Sa kabila ng kagyat na banta ng demolisyon, kamatayan dahil sa gutom o pasismo, susuungin nila ang isang misyon para bawiin ang sariling jeep ng pamilya mula sa impounding area at matapos ang job order mula sa isang shooting ng pelikula. Halo-halong patawa, magic at musika na para bang fairy tale ng mga nalalabing panahon na mukhang poverty porn. Pelikulang nagluluksa, nangangarap at patuloy na lumalaban sa sistemang mapangbusabo sa masa, kapalit ng nakakalulang hungkag na pagunlad. Ayun, binabati ko lang din po sa audience yung aktor ng pelikula na si VR Relosa. Marami pong salamat.
Italy.
Mami, Lola, andito na ako. Anyway, ako si Joseph Vitali. Ikakwento ko lang mabilisan paano ko nakilala si Chris Brown. Last year, November, naglalakad ako sa may Sampaloc, Fusion Alley. Tapos sabi ko, shit, may nag-i-English. Bumili ako ng sherbet, tapos binati niya ako ng happy birthday. So sabi ko, from there, sabi ko, gagawa ko to ng docu. So yun, abangan natin yung docu ay tungkol lang kung paano siya mag-celebrate ng kanyang Pasko. Pero, maganda to. Pero yun, inayos ko naman yung pelikula. At yun, panoorin natin lahat. Salamat.
Lee.
Hello, my name is May Chan Lee and I'm the director and writer. Here with me is Dr. Katrina Hernandez and we're the two-man team behind our online platform Cut Out of the Box and also behind the film Para Paraan. So Para Paraan is a story about a wheelchair user navigating barriers to go and live life. This film is actually not about overcoming disability, but rather navigating life with a disability in a world where accessibility and inclusion is not prioritized. Para Paraan is our attempt to present disability as something relatable and human rather than something that is scary or intimidating. We hope that audiences would watch this with open hearts and see that everyone deserves to be living life to the fullest.
Since disability is a very nuanced topic, we wanted to use media and storytelling to make it more relatable, make it a more human experience. So we hope that with this attempt, disability turns into a person rather than a store, rather than a complicated topic wherein it's so unrelatable and where accessibility turns into not just a checklist for compliance sake, but more of a question of who belongs here in society. So thank you po.
Maraming salamat, First Directors Lisa Catolico and Jasmine Jean Patenya.
Hello po. Ayun, gumagan. And hello po everyone. So, my name is Lisa Catolico and beside me is Jasmine Jean R. Patenya. So, we are both fellow dog lovers and directors for 2D animated short film called Bruno, which premiered nga po at Key Cinema. And now, here it's our first time po at Cinemalaya. So, Bruno is a post-apocalyptic comedy na walang dialogue about a beloved rescue, Aspen, wearing her iconic red bandana who escapes the comfort of her own home and tries to find her owner, Amy, through the apocalyptic streets of Quezon City to defeat her worst enemy, which is an empty food bowl.
More importantly, it's a love letter for the mighty Aspens and loving pets all around, for friendships beyond life and death, for the ever so strong Philippine animation, and for all the people who supported and believe in the story, which we would like to take the moment now to thank our producers, who is also with us right now, Gio Lamuntad, Carl Joseph E. Papa, and Super Entertainment, our associate producer, Rory Esguerra, our sound and design, Nicolay Minion, our wonderful star who voiced both Amy and Runo, Nur Hushman, and to all the animators and artists. Kaya, abangan po natin ang Bruno at ang magagaling na lineup of films sa darating na Cinemalaya this August. Salamat po.
Nolan Ray, Fabular, and Terence.
Hello, hello. First of all, thank you sa organizing committee for embracing us. So, just to share, this started as a special project actually for Art Fair Philippines. So, this was screened last February So initially, when we made this, it was just an alternative to a painting exhibition because I'm a visual artist first rather than a filmmaker. And then, so I guess now, dahil sa Cinemalaya, I can honestly say na I've made an independent film. So thank you for that. And siguro just a very short background about the film. So the film tackles our relationship with the things we choose to preserve. So the film has no words in it, so I guess it's only fitting that I explain it in one line. So here's Nolan, our animation director.
Hello everyone, I am Nolan Fabular, and as you mentioned nga, unique actually yung partnership namin. This is a partnership between a visual artist and an animation studio. So I directed it, and I'm also the founder of the animation studio. This is our first feature. We're kind of launching with this. So thank you Cinemalaya for including us this year. Actually, ang trust namin as an animation studio is we have this aching question kung possible ba gumawa ng unique Filipino style. And that's our first experiment. We collaborated with an artist and long-time collaborator na rin namin. And so that's our attempt. So hope you find out kung pwede ba natin itong maging simula sa pagbuo ng isang unique Filipino animation style. Thank you.
The filmmaker of The River Flows in Different Places, Director Lotlot Hermosura.
Mainit na pagbati po sa ating lahat. Ako po muli si Lotlot Hermosura, ang director ng short documentary na The River Flows in Different Places. Ngayong araw po kasama ko po ang aming producer and editor na si Yani Ali at ang isa po sa aming mga production assistants na si Ange Frades. Ang pelikula po namin ay tungkol sa Forced to Flee Gaza, two Filipino-Palestinian mothers, Net and Maha, recount their repatriation journey to the Philippines and attempt to recreate the concept of home in a land both foreign and familiar. Ngayong panahon ng krisis at gyera, sana po sa pamamagitan ng pelikula namin, makita natin na ang Palestinian struggle for self-determination and liberation ay malapit sa pakikibakan nating mga Pilipino. Marami pong salamat sa Cinemalaya at sa CCP dahil binigyan nila kami ng platform. Sa festival run ng pelikulang ito, isang taon na rin, masayang-masaya po kami na uuwi siya muli sa Pilipinas. So, resistance until return, free Palestine!